Minnie Mouse? You look so cute.
Thanks.
Today is wear your favorite winter accessory. It's like a hat or socks or a scarf or something. And this is perfect. Very, very cute. Okay, hurry and eat.
Okay.
It's time to go.
Can I show you where Jack is?
Oh yeah, show us where Jack is.
So, we thought that Jack was an elf on the shelf. Now he's an elf on the tree.
Oh my goodness. Jack, you little crazy.
We couldn't find him. We looked in the tree and we didn't even see him. We were like, where is he?
Good job finding him. Winston, ready?
It didn't take as
One
long as
shoe.
yesterday.
Guess what? It's snowing. You can't really tell. It's just like lightly snowing. It makes me so happy. I don't know if my weather app is wrong, but it isn't supposed to be snowing. But it is. Just really hoping that there's snow for Bray because she's coming home this week. I forgot until late last night that I had a doctor appointment today to go and see how the baby's doing. I mean, I know that he is active and okay in there because he never stops moving. But it's always good to hear the heartbeat and just check in with the doctor. I did have to do my glucose test today. And the drink, what is it like, doesn't taste terrible. It's fine. It's not good, but it's fine. But I feel so sick right now. Like hopefully that doesn't mean that there's anything wrong, because after I drank it, they had me go to my checkup and I was sitting there waiting for the doctor and I was like, oh, I'm not feeling good. But it is just really sugary and I know it's doing something, but just feel like that, you know? But we did schedule the official delivery date of the baby. When we scheduled it, it was just like, oh yeah, that date will work. That's great. I'm gonna get my tubes tied. We talked about that. And then I was driving home and I was like, just thinking about the date and it was making me cry. I was like, oh shoot, I just can't believe that I'm really having a baby. I'm so excited. I'm just feeling really grateful that there's a plan bigger than what we have planned for ourselves sometimes, because I never ever would have planned to have another baby at this time in my life. But I'm just so happy and I'm so excited, and it just still doesn't seem like it can be real. I don't know. I mean, it's obviously feels very real. It's all very real, but it's just like, I get to have a baby again, and I just feel really lucky and really grateful. So yeah, it just really hit me driving home. Like I was thinking about it, and then Carrie Underwood was singing this beautiful Christmas song and I was just like, oh, I'm having a baby. The date that we scheduled is February 26th, which works out really well because that will be after Layla's first dance competition that I was worried about. So I'll be able to be there for that. And then we'll have a day to rest and get ready, and then we'll have the baby. Oh man. My family's just so excited, and after I text Braylee and told her, she was so excited. I text Casey and let him know, and he's excited. I can't wait to tell the kids, and I don't know. It just feels good to have like the official date and to know when he'll be here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go lay down for a second because I'm feeling not great and get it together a little bit. I have a lot that I want to get done today. I don't know how much of that will actually get accomplished, but I'm gonna get started on a lot of things to get ready for Braylee to be a to get ready for Braylee to be home this week. Oh my gosh. All happy tears, but I think I need to go lay down for a minute. Okay. A good nap, feeling a little less emotional. I mean, I feel like I could easily cry again, but I'm feeling less emotional. Hey girlfriend, how was school today?
Good. Today's my program.
Today's Layla's program. I'm so excited. It had to be rescheduled because of the weather last week. So now we get a party tonight and I can't wait.
Same.
So excited.
Guys, look at the tree.
What?
It looks looks so weird on camera.
Oh yeah, it really does. Like the middle part's out. Oh, there it goes. So weird.
It's actually cute, kinda.
I tried last night to hang up my garland on my banister. I got this from Magnolia. I really like this garland. My command hooks like never work for me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. This one actually did end up staying. It fell a couple of times, and then this one is on my stairs right now because it just kept falling. And I even like got the twinkle lights all through there. I was so happy, and then I was laying in bed and I was like, what was that? And it just kept falling, and I kept trying to fix it and it just kept falling.
I'm not gonna let it fall.
Maybe I just need bigger command hooks. I don't know, but it just kept falling down. I picked the kids up, we went to Costco. Winston talked me into getting these. Churros, not mad about it. They're so good. I'm sure that they're pretty terrible. You ran right into the door. Uh-oh. Just moonwalking. I was just watching a vlog from not last Thanksgiving, but the Thanksgiving before. Is that right? I'm pretty sure. And we were in Colorado, and we were at the arcade and bowling, and Gage kept doing everything better backwards. It's making me laugh. That just made me think of that. I haven't got a lot done, but I did get Braylee's bedding washed. And I'm just gonna get everything cleaned up in her room and get her room vacuumed. I really wanted to paint. I don't know if I mentioned this. I really wanted to paint her room, but she wants it to be green, which would be so cute. The only thing is, I don't know how long she's planning on living here, because she's went back and forth if she wants to get an apartment, if she wants to stay here for a while, if she wants to move somewhere out of state to go to college. So I don't want to paint her whole room and then have to repaint it for Layla, because Layla will take that room once she moves out. So I just don't want to put in all that work and then have to redo it, because Layla won't want her room to be green.
I want it to be pink.
She wants it to be pink.
And I want it to be like Hello Kitty.
And she wants it to be like Hello Kitty. And I don't think that Braylee's gonna want that. The only bad thing is Braylee bought samples, green samples, and just painted them on her wall. So she just has blotchy painted green streaks on her wall. And I really wanted to touch those up. Maybe we have some extra paint in the basement, because my walls need to be touched up. Everything in this house needs to be touched up. Even Layla's face. These are my favorite things right now. Another thing that I've craved big time. Casey bought a bunch of these probably a year ago. They were almost expired, and I ate all of them. And I saw them at Costco, and I was like, yes! It's a cute look. So good. Are we ready? Cutie. Whoa, wow. Cutie pie. You look beautiful. Winston, let's do something with those shorts, huh? Oh, look at your shoelaces. I tied one, Winston tied one. Can you guess which is which?
Look. This one wasn't tied. Look, it's still tied.
That doesn't count. I'm wearing a shirt that's too small, but it's fine.
She's wearing her.
I'm wearing my skirt up high, but even like where the shoulder seam is.
Guys, you can see
okay.
Jack right here.
It is what it is.
We forgot to take a picture yesterday.
We took a picture, remember?
Not today.
Yeah, we're gonna take a picture today.
Take one with me.
I know. We will. We'll take a family picture at your program.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was
Take
fun.
me like singing.
Okay.
I
will. I just need to print them off, okay? Golly,
Jack.
so much pressure here.
Jack, you
Yeah.
have to take one for us again.
So busy, and it can be so hectic at the
Wow.
so excellent. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You looked like you were having a blast up there.
I was.
You were. What's your favorite song that you sing?
I have two.
You have two?
Yeah,
Which
the
ones?
one that goes like, tada 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 ching ching ching, that one.
Uh-huh.
And Away in a Manger.
Okay. You did so good. I'm really proud of you.
No crib for a bed. The little Lord Jesus looked down where he laid.
Good job.
Thanks.
It was so cute. I'm so happy that you and Elliot are together too. That makes it even more fun. You're so lucky.
We've been in the same class since we were born.
Since they were born. Only 7 days apart. That's how these babies will
Wait,
be
when's
too.
his birthday?
It's the same day as Gage's. It's April 11th.
Yeah. Oh, ow.
So 6 days. 6 days apart.
6 days until his birthday?
Oh, Layla. You guys are only 6 days apart. We had so much fun, and then we went to dinner after with Carl, Laurie, and Carly's family, Carly and Jackson's family. It was so fun. I just love when we get together and do fun things like that. Okay, we have homework. Gotta get some reading done.
Like the AR test.
You already passed all your AR tests.
Remember when you to write right to
Oh yeah. Go find a couple books to read in your room, and then you can write them down. She's doing a reading log.
What's this book? What's this book?
It looks like an excellent book to read. Mickey.
Mickey Saves Santa.
Good. You're right.
Mickey Saved Santa.
A few years ago, it was actually the first year we moved into the house. So it was 2017. I did an advent calendar, and
My 2 books.
you have 2 books you checked out? Okay.
I'm gonna go get them.
Okay. I did an advent calendar count, or I did an advent countdown with books. So I just wrapped a bunch of books. So I got a bunch of new Christmas books, a few like regular books, so that we could open a book every day. And that was really fun. That was one of my favorite advent things that we've done. Because it was just special. The kids were excited about opening a book every night, and then it made us sit down together as a family and read. And sometimes you need that, like something that kind of forces you to sit down, slow down, and just hang out together. I really love that.
Fat, so heavy.
So if you're still,
I'm gonna lift this up. It's heavy.
let me see if I can. Oh, I can't lift it.
It's heavy.
So if you're still looking for a little Christmas countdown, that's a really fun thing to do. You can even wrap up books that you have
No, I need to
in your
put
house
this
already, you know.
under
Still fun to
the
unwrap and read together.
tree.
Oh, what is
It's
this?
your present.
Oh, it is?
I'll read you it. With love from Layla.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Go put it under the Christmas tree. That will be the first gift under the Christmas tree. I have to wrap presents tomorrow. Have to. Cute. I love it.
I forgot
Love it,
about
love it.
that.